flight or a premium select. Got this. We got this. Blanket and pillows. And the menu. Okay. And information packet. Perfect. So let's enjoy our flight to Santiago. Alright, Delta's up the game with real tablecloth, glass, okay, and the snacks before the main course. Nice. My neighbor's got gin and tonic, double serving. Nice. Alcohol including. Alright, this is the chicken. Look at that. This glass, full silverware set, no bamboo. Got dessert and a salad. Here is the pasta. Same, everything else. Let's enjoy. Looks good. Overall, good meal.